Hi lovely people, today I'm going to be talking about decluttering your makeup, which is going to be a great part of my decluttering series that I have going on. That's going to help you declutter your life in 2020, little by little, corner by corner. And you know what? I'm not perfect, so I definitely need some decluttering to do myself. And I have a little secret. I'm probably the worst when it comes to makeup clutter. I'm probably a minimalistic makeup user in the sense that I only use a few items to put on makeup, but I'm a maximist when it comes to the amount of makeup I own. I discovered something. I have a lot of bags and containers that have makeup in it. So to avoid from being super overwhelmed by decluttering, bring all your makeup all into one spot, and then from there, just evaluate what you really need. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to bring out all the bags, all the containers that have my makeup, and just put them all in one spot here on the floor in my living room. And then from there, we'll decide what I'm gonna keep and what I'm not gonna keep and what can be donated or what can be trashed. All right, let's go. Now that I got my plastic cover on the floor to protect the floors, I can start putting everything here, and then we'll just put everything out and see what's in there. This one is a big one. We're gonna save that one for last. So, all right, let's get started. If you guys haven't already watched my last video on how to make sure that you properly prepare to declutter and my 3 top secrets for decluttering, you should definitely watch this video right here. I will also have it in the cards, or I'll have a link to it down in the description, so that way you can better prepare on making sure that you take the steps you need to take to declutter effectively. Now, let's get to this video so we can start decluttering our makeup. But again, if you want to see more decluttering videos from me in this series, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when the next time I upload a video and you don't miss a single tip. This is the reason, this box right here is the reason why I dread decluttering my makeup, because it's so much stuff in here. I don't even know where to start. But today we're gonna conquer those fears and just get it done. So let's see. So I guess tip number 3 would be going through each and every item and every section by section, so that way you can avoid the stress of, decluttering. So tackle one section at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. So the goal is to get all of this stuff out of their compartments and get them onto the mat, and then that'll be one fear out the way, and then I'll tackle the next fear. All right, so this is kind of bringing me memories actually to when I bought some of these things and where I was, at what point in my life I was when I bought some of these items. So I'm getting a little bit of, I was organized. I had all my lipsticks organized in here, but you know what that's called? Organized clutter. And we're trying to get rid of clutter. So just because you have it organized, don't mean you don't have clutter. Just because you have it organized doesn't mean that you don't need to get rid of it. And a lot of times we find ourselves in life where we're decluttering stuff, at least we think we're decluttering, but in reality, we're not decluttering. We're just organizing our clutter. So tip number 4, making sure that you're aware that you're actually cluttering your place by not getting rid of it. This is the look that I go for. This is my go-to look, and a red lipstick. That's it. Now, if I really want to minimize the amount of makeup that I'm wearing, I'll probably do no lashes, and I probably won't do any concealer or a highlighter right here. But at the end of the day, it's pretty simple. So there's no need for me to have a whole basket and a whole case of makeup if I know I'm not going to use it. If you declutter your makeup, let me know down in the bottom how the experience was for you. If it was stressful, did you have a hard time letting go some of your items that you know that you don't use, but you know. So now that we got it all laid out of the containers, what we're gonna do, we're gonna separate the bad and the good. Meaning, I'm going to put on this side, in this bag is gonna be all the makeup that is in good condition for me to either give away or keep. And on this side, I will have a bag for just straight up trash, meaning that it's expired or it doesn't even work or it does what it's supposed to do and can't give it away. Trash. All right, so this is my trash side. This is my keep side. That's trash. All right, so let's get started. I can say is that how I got to this situation on having so much makeup was because when I started off experimenting with makeup and having fun with it a few years ago, yes, a few years ago. So some of the makeup I have here is a few years old. You heard me correctly. I know it's sad, but you never feel like it's gonna go anywhere, and when you one day you're gonna need it, so you don't want to throw it away. Don't get caught up in that. You're not gonna need it because it's been 3 years and you have not used that eyeshadow palette. So yeah, that's how I built up so much makeup over time. I just was experimenting, trying out, checking to see what's gonna work best for me, what kind of look I would love. And in the process, I found what I love most and what I use on a regular basis. But then I got stuck with makeup that I don't use, even though they're fairly new or practically new. And I don't want to throw them away because I feel like, well, let me just leave it here just in case one day I need them. And guess what? That never happened. I never used them. And you'll see that I haven't because I have so much makeup. But I'm not going to sit here and chatter too long. I'm going. All right, we're at the halfway mark so far. I got half of this is the trash bag, and here are the safe bags and a few items like right here. But we still got some ways to go, and we're almost there. Quickly, I just wanted to say, if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe down at the bottom and hit the notification bell so that way you'll be notified of the next time I upload a video from this series, which is my decluttering series for 2020. Guys, if I'm providing value to you with this video or any other videos that I've had, help support a girl. Subscribe down at the bottom. It's free, it's easy. I'm so happy that I finally finished decluttering and narrowed everything down to these 2 bags. I managed to separate all the makeup that I don't want anymore, but I think someone else might appreciate it. So I'm just gonna, these are all the makeup that I managed to pull out that are still good, but maybe my sister or, you know, cousin, whoever in my family or friends or whatever may want them. So I'm just gonna put those in here. Look at all that. Trashing. Because these colors for sure I'm never gonna wear, or I didn't like them, or they're not living up to what they say they're supposed to do. So this is the trash makeup. And then you're probably wondering, what happened to this? Well, guess what? I still have it, but now it has a little more organization and it has everything that I actually use. So, ta-da! So all my eyelashes are here. All my lipsticks are here. And guys, you saw how much lipstick I'm giving away and how much lipstick I'm throwing away. So these are my go-to. I will wear these. And remember, it's not about eliminating everything you have. It's just making sure you eliminate the things you know you're no longer going to use, or the things that you know that you don't love, or they're expired, or they're not serving any purpose. These right here are my favorite. They're keepers. And of course the lashes. And I got my, you know, other makeup stuff, my mini travel stuff. These are just extras. I have this in each of my makeup bags. I have it in this bag, and I also have it in my travel bag. But I always have extras, just extras. So these are just extras. Basically, this case right here is just holding doubles of what I already love anyways. So yeah, that's the top. And on the bottom, more multiples. I have so many of these. I have them everywhere, but you could never have too much. And then as you can see, this is emptied out. So simple. Again, multiples of everything that I love. My mascara, eyeliner, these are my favorites that I wear all the time. If I run out, guess what? I don't have to go to the store. I have already stocked up. Vaseline, that I don't even know why I bought it, but I have it. And then I have brushes, and the few eyeshadows that I have here that I've chosen from the stack. A few of these. So these are my favorite eyeshadows. When I do wear eyeshadow, those are the ones that I have. Oh yeah, while we're at it. Down here, I just have an empty container, my body glow. So you can put that all over your body. And I just have my top eyeshadow kit. this one, boom, boom. This one right here. And my favorite, and this one right there. You see, I managed to narrow it down to just those 3. In here, I'll probably put like hairpins or something like that. And put that in here. Over there. And then I'm going to slide that back in here. Over here, this ended up pretty much staying empty.